Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Dow Jones futures. For the record, today is Thursday, November 16th. Time is around 5:30 p.m. GMT. So, in my last video about the Dow Jones, I warned that we might have a shallow pullback right here, be it as a wave B, be it as a wave 2, because I was noticing or I was suspecting this kind of shallow pullback because of my analysis of the DAX in the US indices. It was hard to see, but eventually we also got here, not only in the DAX, but also in the US indices, this shallow pullback, be it as a wave B, be it as a wave 2. And from here, we had another quite nice rally to the upside. So this means for now, in my opinion, we have three waves here, 1, 2, 3. And so now the question is, what will we do from here? So now, since 2 days, we are just sitting here, we are hanging here without really, without really moving, I would say. So first of all, like I explained in my higher time frame analysis, there might be a chance that we made our wave 2 low right here. Actually, we came quite close to the wave 2 area. This is our wave 2 area. And if the low is in, then this correction played out as a triple tree correction as indicated in red. So WXYXZ, that would be the triple tree correction. And then from here, what we should expect is the start of a new impulse. If this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, then this should be the start of the wave 3 in the higher degree. And of course, a wave 3 is also an impulse. And this wave 3 should then again consist of 5 waves. And so what we have here might be the start of the first wave, the first wave of the 5 waves that we need in the third wave. But for now, like I said, with the structure we are having now, suppose that we are coming down from here, so that we do not move up anymore from here, or let's say more or less from here, no significant up move anymore, then I tend to classify this as an corrective upward structure, as an A, B, C. And then I believe more in the scenario here indicated in green. It's also my primary scenario, which is saying that so far we actually only had one corrective leg down as a wave A in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that this move up here is just a B wave to correct this A wave. And what should follow then is a C wave down, taking out this low and getting deeper into this area. So now you might think, yesterday the NASDAQ took out the wave 3 high. So this could be a bullish sign for all the markets, I would say, for all the indices. But at the other hand, if the Nasdaq took out the high right here, the wave 3 high, it could mean that the wave 5 in the Nasdaq is already completed. And so if the wave 5 in the Nasdaq is completed, it means downside would should follow, and therefore downside in the Nasdaq could actually nicely coincide with a C wave here in the Dow Jones. Of course, if the Nasdaq is showing a nice bull run as a fifth wave, then of course the Dow Jones will also follow, and then the expectation is that we take out also this high right here, that the wave 2 low was in right here, as indicated in red. And then the structure I would further expect here in the Dow Jones is that this here is our wave 1, this is our wave 2. Then we should kind of rally towards this area right here, the wave 3 target. If we take the length of the wave 1, the length of the wave 2, then here this area between the 1 and the 1.618 VIP extension becomes the target for the wave 3. So this is then what should happen in the Dow Jones. And then, of course, after the wave 3, a 4 and a 5 will follow. And then we have a first impulse up, correction to the downside as a wave 2, and then wave 3 of 3, the strongest one. But so far, my interpretation of this structure is that if we start to go down more or less from this region, I would classify this as a corrective move up. I do not really see 5 waves in what we have now. Of course, you could try to make a case for this here, a wave 1, this a wave 2, then this the 3, the 4, and this the 5. But I do not really like this because our wave 5, in my opinion, is ending way too strong. This looks like the beginning of a new cycle from here. This looks like a new cycle. So therefore, I will not really see this wave here as part of a 5-wave structure. Of course, you could see 5 waves. If you just look at the swings, it is possible to see 5 waves in this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this is really not my preferred count. If I have to choose, if we end here, I would rather classify this as an A, B, C, a corrective move up. And then if downside follows, then we should take out the low right here. So yeah, for the moment I focused on the 4 hour. Unfortunately, there is not much to say about the 1 hour and the 15 minutes. Like I said, we are just hanging here in this area. It is hard to say if we are, like, if the structure is finished here with this high, we can still see another high that is still possible. But if it is only a marginal new high, I would still stick to the A, B, C pattern corrective structure up, unless if this here is our wave 2, this can be the wave 1 here of the wave 3, then wave 1, maybe again a shallow wave, wave 2, and then wave 3 of 3 up, another rally into this area. But yeah, then we really need to start the rally, I would say, because if we end like this, my opinion is that this is corrective and not impulsive. That does not mean that it can become impulsive if we start to rally from here, and if we go into this area right here, then it is quite clear that we will have 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, or an impulse, a wave here, an impulsive third wave. And then, of course, the bullish case in the higher time frame, with this being a wave 2 low and the start of the wave 3, gets more credibility, especially if we take out the high right here. So in the 1 hour, not much to see. Also in the 15 minutes, I would say not much to see. Like, if I have to start, or if I have to do a wave count from here, I would say this is the 1, this is the 2. Then here, this looks like a wave 3 of 3 to me. Then this should be the end of the wave 3. And then now we might be doing a wave 4. this could actually already be a wave 4, a shallow wave 4, and now a fifth wave that might start. Of course, we can also go a bit deeper as a fourth wave and then a fifth wave that starts. Is there a possibility that the high was in here? Could be. We are ending with divergence, but yeah, then it means that this here was our wave 4, very shallow wave 4. It's always a possibility, but it does not really follow the Fibonacci guidelines then for a wave 4, I would say, but theoretically it is possible. So I just keep my preferred count like this, but at least I shared with you the possible variations, the possible scenarios, given the difficult interpretation of the data we are currently having. So a nice move could make us a bit wiser. A nice move to the upside would show support for the bullish case in the higher time frame. If we start to go down from here, like making not really a significant high anymore, we can still make a marginal new high as indicated right here. But if the high is only marginal and we turn down, then I would favor the bearish case in the higher time frame. Okay, that's my analysis for now. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another analysis on the Dow Jones. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.